Hello, hello, happy Saturday. So today is actually June 30th, which is the grand opening of Toy Story Land in Hollywood Studios at Walt Disney World. And Eric and I braved the crowds and got up super early. We got up at 5 a.m. and we were at the park by 5:45. And for some reason, I thought we were gonna be like the only ones there that early, but there were a ton of people already there. And apparently people started getting there at 1 in the morning, which is insane. But my fear of having to wait in line and like just, waiting outside of the park for hours, I had nothing to worry about because they let everyone into the park at, I think it was 6 o'clock. So we were able to go straight to Toy Story Land. The rides, I believe, started going at like 6:30. It might have been a little before then, but it was not that bad. Like the line for Slinky Dog was maybe only an hour, but because we got there so early, the crowds weren't there yet. And we got to see the land with the lights, and it really is incredible in the glow of the lights. So I recommend going in the evening. But overall, it was a lot of fun. Slinky Dog was a fun roller coaster, but when we left, it just was insane. The amount of people lined up just to get in the land, and the line wrapped all the way to the Chinese theater, which is insane. But before we left, we did do a little shopping. We got some pins. I got the pass holder Toy Story Land pin. We got a couple Wally and Eve pins. And then we also got the grand opening I Was There Toy Story Land pin and the Toy Story Land mystery pin back. So these are the ones you get. They all look like blocks. I don't know how many you get inside. I'm assuming 2, maybe. So we picked this up right by the entrance to the park, the little gift shop where they sell the magic bands and the camera and electronic-y type of stuff in there. So I'm gonna open this and hopefully I like what I get. Like I said, I don't really care because they're all really cute, but I think I'd like a Woody and a Buzz, so we'll see. So got my scissors. Okay, so there's 2 in there, and they're heavy, so they're substantial. They're about that big, you can see. Okay, so this one feels a little bigger than that one, so maybe I did get Buzz. I hope. Let's hope. They are really big. Oh, cute. Little dinosaur guy that I don't know your name, but you're cute. Okay, I like it. And like I said, nice, good size. Okay. What is this one gonna be? Okay. Okay, cute. I think that's Rex. So I got 2 dinosaurs. They go together. Do you like my ears? If you do, check out our website, happymagic.co, and you'll be able to find all of our laser cut ears. These will be hitting the shop super soon.